Do you have that feeling na minsan na pag-iiwanan ka na? Yung parang ang tagal-tagal mo nang nagtatrabaho, pero hanggang ngayon wala pa rin nangyayari. Naku, maniwala ka, hindi ka kulelat. Baka hindi mo lang nakikilala ang tunay mong potensyal. Yan ang gusto malaman, pag-usapan natin to.
Videos that will make you wealthy and debt-free.
Hi there, this is Chinky Tan, your pambansang wealth coach. In our videocast today, pag-usapan po natin isang pinaka-toxic na mindset sa pera at buhay, yung comparison. Let me tell you this, the truth, comparison is always the thief of joy. Kung kayo po ay nakipag-compare parati sa ibang tao, maniwala ka, wala kang kasiyahan. Comparing your journey to others, dalawang bagay lang mangyayari. Number one, madidepress ka dahil nga feeling mo kulelat ka na. Number two, yayabang ka, feeling mo ahead ka. Do you agree? They're both negative. Let me challenge you. You have to stop this way of thinking. Because this way of thinking will rob you of your peace, will rob you of your future, will rob you of your potential. Alam mo, kulang lang talaga sa'yo, paniniwala sa sarili. Para mas maintindihan nyo. Number one, bawat isang tao ay meron silang personal financial journey. Parang ano lang yan eh. Lahat ang ending pa rin, ang babaksak pa rin dyan. Kung may prosesyon, simbahan. Ang ending natin sa buhay natin, meron tayong hangganan, di ba? So, always remember, you're not late. Hindi lang clear. Hindi ka kulelat. Ang problema mo, hindi mo pa na-identify kung ano ang gusto mo sa buhay. Hindi mo pa na-identify yung purpose mo sa buhay. Yun. Oo naman. It's so hard to look for something if you do not know what you're looking for. Agree or disagree? Ito lang, kung ang purpose mo sa buhay, ang goal mo lang sa buhay ay pera. Let me tell you the truth. Again, the more you pursue money, the more money will run away from you. How many times? Ikaw, pag-isipan mo buti. How many times na parati mong hinahabol ang pera? Diba? Walang nangyari. Yan ang nangyari po sa akin when I was young. Ang mindset sa akin, lahat ng pwede kita, pasok. Mindset ko, konti kita dito, konti kita dito, konti kita, grupo, laki. O ano kita? Hindi, laki, logi. I was a jack of all trades, master of none. Until such time, someone taught me, mentored me, and coached me, and asked me, Chinky, what are you good at? Number two, what do people appreciate about you? Number three, what is one thing that you can do na hindi ka talaga mapapagod? Sabi ko, I'm really good at, number one, my good looks. Huwag kayong kukontra. No, I'm good at, number one, in taking something that's very complicated and make it very simple for people to understand, just like what I'm doing right now. What do people appreciate from me? Yun nga, parating sinasabi, alam mo, Chinky, you can explain things better. Number three, what is something that I love to do? I love explaining and doing content just like this. Even if people do not pay me, I'm willing to do this for free. 18 years ko na ginagawa to sa YouTube kahit wala pang monetization. So, when it was clear to me kung anong gusto ko, everything followed. Success followed. Recognition followed. Income followed. Kaya nga, let me tell you the truth, clarity is power. Pag kilala mo na yung sarili mo, mas madali ka nang makaka-focus kung anong gusto mo at anong tama mong diskarte. Yan ang kulang mo. Number two, always remember, again, comparison kills progress. Ay, ang yaman na ng friend ko, ang layo ko na, yung kapatid ko. Ay, nako, walang kaparehas ang timeline ng bawat tao. Yung finish line mo is different, kaya don't judge yourself by someone else's race. Kung gusto mo mag-compare, alam mo, dapat mo i-compare. Compare yourself with yourself. How are you 5 years ago or 10 years ago? Kung compare right now, did you improve? If you improve, ito yung gagawin mo. Raise up your right hand, tap your shoulder, and then sabihin mo, good job, good job. If I'm going to compare myself 5 years ago, ang layo ko, grabe. By the grace of God. Kaya nga, alam mo, wag nating hanapin yung mga bagay na wala sa ating buhay. Hanapin natin kung ano yung pinagkaloob at binigay sa atin ng Diyos. Doon tayo makontento. Number three, tandaan mo, hindi ka pa kulelat because personal finance is personal. Hindi dahil may investment si friend, may bahay sa Forbes, oo, dapat meron ka rin. Hindi dapat, meron siyang negosyo, dapat, kailangan mo rin. Hindi porket nag-travel siya, kailangan mo rin. Naku, tanungin mo na sarili mo. Ano ba ang goal mo ba talaga yan? Oo, magnegosyo ng ganyan, o nang-inggit ka lang, di ba? Afford mo ba as of right now? At alam mo, kung naintindihan, ni Stockholm, Investor Hub, at saka ni Anne's Life, ang ating nagpapa-shoutout. Nako, maniwala ka. Maniwala ka. You will stop comparing yourself with others. And last but not the least, in order for us to stop ourselves comparing with others, let me tell you this truth. Again, the truth will set you free. Know your worth? Ano ba talaga ang tunay mong halaga? Yung tiwala mo sa sarili mo. Diba, kapatid? Huwag mo i-compare ang apples with oranges. Apple ka. Diba? Once makilala mo yung halaga mo, yung value mo, naku, mag-iiba talagang pananaw mo. Okay lang na ma-inspire na ibang tao, pero iba yung trabaho niya, iba yung trabaho mo. Iba yung kinikita niya, iba yung kinikita mo. Iba yung career niya, iba yung career mo. You are not behind. You're not just aligned, my friend. Don't follow trends. Follow your strength. Self-awareness leads to confidence. Kaya eventually, alam mo mangyayari niyan? Purpose-driven life. Kaya tigilan mo na yung kasabi mo na
Kawawa naman ako, kulelat naman ako, layo-layo nyo na.
ay hindi mo pa natutuklasan ang tunay na galing mo. Kaya ngayong araw na ito, lalanin mo muna ang iyong sarili. Kaya kung gusto mo, sabihin mo, Chinky, I want to know myself. Oo, dahil hindi ko kilala ang sarili ko. Type kilala sa comment section. Malay mo, mag-usap tayo. Gumawa ako ng isang coaching session to help you out. Just type kilala right now. Sana nakatulong tong episode na ito and that you will be able one day to find your calling and your purpose in life. That is what's missing to you right now. By the way, did I fail to mention, magkakaroon pala ako ng exclusive group coaching session where I can help you personally to increase your self-worth and change your money mindset. This group coaching session is absolutely for free. Libre po. Kaya, bilisan nyo na. Limited slots lang to. Just comment, Coach Me, on the comment section or click the link sa description para makasama po kayo. Tandaan, tamang karunungan, tamang disiplina ang susi sa pagyaman.